Hey there, future Bitcoin trader. Ready to master Bitcoin trading on Robinhood in just 2 minutes? Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Robinhood account. You can either download the Robinhood app or visit their website. Got that? Great. Now navigate to the crypto section and search for Bitcoin. Found it? Awesome. Tap on Bitcoin to check out its price chart and market data. When you're ready to buy, simply click buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, and confirm the transaction. You've just bought your first Bitcoin on Robinhood. But what about selling? No worries, it's just as easy. Head back to the Bitcoin page, tap sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm your order. Simple, right? One important thing to remember, Robinhood does not support crypto withdrawals. This means your Bitcoin stays within the platform. Before you start trading, always stay updated on market trends and perform due diligence. The crypto market can be volatile, so it's crucial to make informed decisions. And there you have it. You're now ready to trade Bitcoin on Robinhood. Happy trading.